When cubes misbehave. Somebody's not happy. This is a swarm that a lady called me from Lowe's to come and get. I put her in that middle cube there facing the tree. She's been there maybe a week. And she didn't like it after laying the box up. I'm gonna go in and see what she's done in the box. I don't see her yet. But this is just kind of a quick tip. Sometimes late fall swarms are not gonna stay, no matter what the heck you do. I'll go find a queen cage. See if I can find her and cage her happy butt again and stick her back in there. Or I might just be a nuisance and take her somewhere else and give her to another colony. If anybody sees her, because usually there's a couple of hundred bees on the frame before the queen lights. Everybody thinks that the queen lands and they cluster around her. Not always. Alright, that's our quick tip video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.